Now, if I try to write it, like I just thought of writing it in terms of rth term and all, right? So I already have this rth term, but even I will not be able to split it or anything with this, right? So I can't work with it, right? So there can be a different approach to it, as in like if this is what is my, this is generally the approaches which works with the this kind of like multiplication, right? So what I'm trying to do, I'll show you. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to multiply, okay, this with 2. I'm multiplying this with 2 every term, but I'm also gonna shift it by 1. So why? Because what I'm trying to do is that I want to make it 2 into 2 to the power cube, and I subtract 2, and then this will become a GP, right? So like you will see. So I'm multiplying it by 2 and shifting it to one term. So this will become 2 into 2 to the power cube. Because it was square, now it will become cube. This was cube, then this will become to the power 4, 3 into 2 to the power 4. And this is how everything will shift, and this n into 2 to the power n will be there. And at the end, what will happen? There, there was, this is basically as I'm shifting, right? So this is gonna be n minus 1 into 2 to the power n, sorry about that. And this the last one will be actually, this is gonna be n into 2 to the power n plus 1. This is what it will be. Now, if I subtract, what will happen? This will be minus, 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 minus. So this will become minus s, which is fine. This will become 2 into 2 square. Now what will happen? This will become 3 into 2 to the power cube, 2 into 2 to the power cube, which will be 2 cube. 4 into 2 to the power 4, 3 into 2 to the power 4, which will be 2 to the power 4. And it will keep on going. At the end, this will be n minus n minus 1, 2 to the power n, right? The last term will be minus n into 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now what will happen is, this is the GP for sure. This is like, it's not, because before that there should have been 2 square. So either I can just add a 2 square here and then make it like that, like just so that everything is this way. Now 2 square, and then before that there will be 2. So this is 8. So totally it is 8. What I'm trying to say is that, can I write this as 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube, so that this entire thing become 2 to the power n. And what I've added is 2 plus 2 square, which was not there, which is like 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. And here it is 2 to the power 2, 4 into 2, 8. So I'll just write 2 plus here. And into 2 to the power n plus 1. So minus s. So this will be 2 plus, this is just like a GP. So the summation is a into r to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So this is what is my GP. And then minus n into 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, now the next step is, this is gonna be 2 minus 1 will be 2, so this will be 2 plus 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 2, and this will be n into 2 to the power n plus 1. So now 2 again get cancelled out, and this is still minus s. So my s is actually n into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 to the power n plus 1, or I can write it as 2 to the power n plus 1 n minus 1. This is what it is, right? Now they're saying that this is actually equal to 2 to the power n plus 10. They are saying that this is actually equal to 2 to the power n plus 10. So they are saying that for what values of r that will be equal. So we'll just divide it first to make it easier. So this will be n minus 1, and this will become 2 to the power n plus 10 divided by 2 to the power n minus n plus 1, which then this will become 2 to the power 9. So this will become 512 and then plus 1, right? So this will become 513. Okay.